Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the perfect thumbnail. So I'm doing this in Paint 3D. I know that sounds probably weird, but I don't have access to Photoshop, so doing it in Paint 3D. So you want to change your canvas size to 1280 by 720. Now for this example, I'm going to be getting an image from a PlayStation, so I'm just going to head over there now. Download that image.
Okay, so we've started up our PlayStation. We're going to take a quick screenshot of this right here, simply because it's going to take part in the thumbnail. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Once you have your screenshot, you're then going to want to go ahead and export it onto a USB drive, which you can then transfer over to your computer later on. Obviously, I'm doing this on my PS4, so if you record on your computer, you won't have to do that. But in this case, that's what we're doing.
So once you've got that, you can head over to your files. It's not in there because it's on my USB drive. Yes, there we go. Copy. I'm going to paste that in there. Then we're going to go on to the Magic Select. Now this basically just selects anything that has any kind of lines on it. For some reason my mouse is lagging like hell, so we're just going to use the stupid mouse pad on my laptop. Just going to crop it like that, press next, and it should more or less cut out the entire thing that you're after. If it doesn't, you can add things in using the pencil. You just draw a line through it and it should add it on. If you want to remove anything, you remove it using the rubber like that. But obviously I need that, so I'm going to add that back in. Just to make sure I'm not missing anything. I'm going to zoom in. Like it's missed off a little bit of my hair there. In fact, what we'll do is we'll just undo. Oh, you guys get the gist, right? And then you simply go on there, press done. And it will cut it out, set it as a separate object. So I'm going to delete the background now. Obviously that needs shrinking. Okay. Then I'm going to bring in my generic thumbnail background like I usually do. Where the hell is my generic thumbnail background? So I'm going to bring that in. Obviously that is too big. Okay. And then we're going to have to go back into the canvas, put it back down to 1280 by 720. Just like that. Oh my god. I'd have been ass. Paste. Okay. Very nice. And then for instance, say I did a game. It was, I don't know, me versus duos or me versus squads. We'll do squads, just because that's something that more people would watch, I guess. So people would do that more. I'm going to size 94. Always change it to white. There, we just literally just type solo. Rotate that. I'm going to rotate that to 21 degrees because I know that's the angle of my rainbow. I'll pull it forward, turn it. Only about 15 degrees, because otherwise you end up with really weird looking O's and stuff. And then put some more writing in, put it down to 22, so we can get the verses in there. I'd never really put the verses very big. Again, rotate to 21 degrees. If I can get it right. There we go. Verses, and then we want to go back to the text again. Just get off. And it's crashed. It does this a lot, which is really fucking annoying. If it ever does this, all I do is I just save it, then reopen it. It's not going to let me save it. That's annoying. So we'll go to exit, save, just save it as thumb. And then when we reopen the app, it should come up. Press open. It's the last thing we saved. It may take some time, but it will get there. There we go. And obviously the verses is not now selected. So I'm going to go back to the text. I have to change this again to impact. Impact is the one I use all the time. I have it in my logo. I have it in all my thumbnails. So back to the 94 size, and we're going to do it in black simply because it's in the colourful rainbow now. Again, rotate to 21. But obviously it'll be different for you guys because you guys won't be using the rainbow background that I'm using. And rotate to 14. And then we're going to go on the internet. Literally going to type in, I don't know, Fortnite 29 kills or something. And we're going to get an image. And we want the little skull with like the 29 kills next to it. So we'll take this, we'll copy this, and we will go back into the paint. We'll paste. And then we'll use the magic select. And we'll crop it down to the 29 and the skull. It will probably only highlight the skull. Usually it only highlights the skull, which is quite annoying. And then we're going to go on the remove. We'll have to click off that. We'll have to zoom in. So otherwise we're going to end up removing something that we don't mean to. Remove. Okay, that came out tiny. So we're just going to do that. There we go. Okay, it's got rid of the skull, which is annoying. But I'm glad this happened, so now I can show you guys, properly. I'm just going to add that. Savage. That was a lot easier than I expected it to be. Then press done. Obviously we can just take that out now. Zoom out. Take that. Put it there. Get rid of this background. Boom. And then we move this back in. 29 kill. I'm going to rotate that as well to 21. And then we're going to go back to the internet. I'm going to type in Victory Royale. Go to the image. And you literally have an abundance of Victory Royale images that you could choose from. One that I used earlier was this one. This one's quite a good one. Okay, it's quite clear. It's crisp. I'm going to paste that in. And then again, Magic Select. Magic Select on this app, on Paint 3D, is beyond magic. It is fantastic. And there we go. I can just done. Again, bring this to the side, get rid of the background. And then bring this forward so it's up in front of the legs. Magic. And just like that, you have a clickbaiting thumbnail that will make people watch your videos. So I hope you all have enjoyed. And that's exactly how you do that. So I'll see you all later.